Hello everybody, welcome back to the Gear 426 channel. We're doing C stuff, yay! Before I get to what we're doing with this, I just want to go ahead and show you that, hey look, the whole place is clean, yay! We're still working on all this over here. And I got a really quiet generator. My fan is actually louder than the generator itself. We got the big boy right here for whenever we need to run like the air compressor or the welder or something like that. And we got this tiny little guy, just very quiet. Like I could barely even hear it with my headphones in right now. This fan is actually much louder. And I have a table. And we should, hopefully this weekend, be getting a really big vise and work table, putting it right over here, and a drill press, which we will also be getting and probably putting somewhere over there where all the heavy duty tools are. I also need to make a welding cart, which I'll probably do in a video whenever I figure out how I want to build it, but we need to make a welding cart too. So that's what's going on at the shop. Let's go ahead and cut to what we're actually doing today. We are installing a whole bunch of polyurethane bushings on every single suspension component on this car. And the reason why is, one, I really like the polyurethane bushings that I installed on the truck. They're running great. You want to check out the video for that, click up in the corner. I'll list like all the videos of all the suspension stuff we did to that truck, but it is nice. And I just got 2 new front tires on it, so leave me alone about tires. I know my tires are sketchy on that truck. But on this car, the front end ain't that bad. I do have brand new suspension up at the front, and the bushings are rubber, they're weak. In the rear, well, every single one of those bushings are original, and this car is a 2006, so that's what, 15 years old? Rubber only lasts like 5 years, so yeah, they need to be replaced. Now I did do polyurethane bushings on the rear end, but I'm probably going to be using the energy suspension because one, it came with it, and why not? And two, this one is solid, that one's not. So I may as well just go ahead and do it. And this will really tighten up the rear end. It likes to move around a lot, and I don't like it very much. Like it, whenever I'm shifting hard, the whole back end, it goes like it's not fun. And whenever I go to do a burnout, the back end goes and then it smooths out. It's not fun. My girlfriend hates it, and you know, I really like whenever she comes to ride in my car with me. So yeah, we need to fix all that. So let's go through everything that I got. And I wish I had a little bit better light. That's a little bit better. Okay, so almost dropped it. All right, we're just going to be doing the front in this video. We'll be doing a rear in another video. This is the subframe set for the rear, front sway bar, front control arm, rack and pinion. What's this? Ooh, the diff. See, these are solid. Rear sway bar, and here's the rear set. Man, the rear is going to be so much fun. Here is the lube that they give you, which is nowhere near frickin' enough. So, you know, I got the good old trusty dielectric grease. Yeah! And I'm supposed to apparently open that up, which I already did. And, ooh, stickers. I like stickers. Gotta go right here. Nice. Hey look, my toolbox is actually cleaned up. Yay! Well, I was gonna toss this, but I guess I'll throw these back in it. Also, while we were up at the front end, we're gonna go ahead and be replacing the bottom with this awesome Z1 Motorsports underpan tray cover thing. Oh my god, I forgot what it's called. But I had a silver one, and they came out this black one, which I'd much rather have the black one. They came out with it like after I bought the silver one, which really sucked. But I got this one because your boy here was over at Panama City, and Panama City roads suck. And well, there was a hole that wasn't supposed to be there on their damn roads, and not this piece, but this piece literally got completely torn off, bent up, and destroyed. Let me go see if I can find it real quick. Found it. Fucking Panama City roads, man. I tell ya. Just freaking look. Trash. So we're gonna be putting this on today too while we were up at the front end. So let's go ahead and do the usual thing that we do, you know, like take the whole thing apart, fix it all up, you know, do all that stuff, put on the ground, and the video. I'll probably talk about some stupid dot sets, and then we're good. yeah. Also, it'd be really cool if you could go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a big shit show here. I barely know what I'm doing. I upload every Thursday at 1 p.m. Been doing it since the new year. It was my New Year's resolution to actually take YouTube seriously. And I'm very happy I have been. It's been very rewarding for me. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, hit the thing. And I'd say like the video, but do that at the end, because I don't know if you are gonna like this video or not. You might be like, wow, this guy sucks and it's horrible at YouTube. So yeah, let's get to work. I think the only way to really do this is I honestly just got to take everything apart. So take the caliper off and hang it somehow. I literally got to take the whole thing completely apart, which I've taken it all apart before, so it shouldn't be too terribly bad. suspension is out. I wish I had took those out from the beginning because that made getting those upper control arm bolts out. It was all a pain in the butt, even though it's only been together for a year. I don't know why it had to be that hard to pull apart, but it was. And I do have some bad news. Unfortunately, we cannot use these, the sway bar polyurethane bushings, because I do not have a 32mm sway bar. I, thankfully, have a 35mm sway bar. And I know, maybe I should have known that I had a much larger sway bar. I mean, I kind of knew this thing corners pretty nice. But I bought the original 350Z, the one that I wrecked, with that sway bar on it. So I didn't really know what I had. Kind of hoping. I mean, I could try to make those work, but it is not worth it. I'll just lube up those ones and call it a day. Steering rack could be a pain in the butt. I just know it's going to be a huge pain in the butt to the point where I don't even want to do that part on camera, so we're not. But now we're gonna go ahead, put all the bushings in. Well, remove all the bushings, then put all the bushings in, and then put everything together. One thing as well, the ball joints that are on the knuckles, even though they're new, they're already worn out pretty quick. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy some Moog ones. They don't have any play in them, I just don't like how loose they are. But I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Moog ball joints and call it a day. So they'll probably won't be in for a couple of days, so don't expect the entire front end to go completely together today. But we will get all the bushings done for sure. bushings out of everything, and same thing over here. Oh my god, I don't want to do it again. It was absolutely horrible. I mean, I really don't want to do this again. I legit like broke one of my rods, which to be fair, that's kind of what people are complaining about with these kits. They need to get some 8.8 rod or 10.8 rod or something like that. I don't know, I'll get some for sure. I had to get really freaking creative with the other side upper control arm, but it's out, so we're good. We're ready to put in bushings. And we're gonna start with these ones right here, which are for the compression rod, which is the bendy one. So we're just gonna start with that, and oh man, I am so ready to go home at this point. And it's raining again, yay! Turns out I also had to get really creative on putting the bushings in too. Yeah. So all the bushings are in everywhere. They're all done. I went and I did the steering rack off camera. Because like I said, I also had to get kind of creative with that one too. But yeah, I don't have anything installed because I do really want to order those Boog ball joints. Usually what I would do in this situation is I'd make like a part 2, or I would just come back another day and finish it. Well, I am going to do another video of it. We're not going to do a part 2. My part 2s don't do that good. I definitely have to make different thumbnails, that's for sure. Probably going to be like, hey, we're in the next video. Now we're putting this shit together. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stop it for the first time, subscribe button. And I'm trying to talk really, really fast. It's not really working that well. I actually think I'm doing okay. I don't know. But, you know, do the thing. See you guys next time. Bye.